What happens when you spend an entire workout focusing on the lower body? You get stronger legs, you burn more calories, and the workout goes by fast. Join me today on about 6 songs. Let's get started. All right, help bounce. Pushing down on the mat. Engage that core, relax the shoulders. And heel lifts. Step touch. And walk. Good. All right, the first song, we're going to get into it. All right. Going to do a double out, double in. Out and in. Out and out. Push down. Now, down bounce. Slightly bent. Push down, down bounce. Good. All right, next song. I told you this is going to be quick. High knees. That's right. Ready? Scissors. Singles. Pop the legs up. Oh, good. Ready? Gonna do a surf. Push the hip out. Just like this. To one side. And the other side. And other side. Again. Now twist. You're going to feel it in your legs. All right, recovery. Recover a little bit. We're going to do jump overs. Side to side. Jump side to side. Singles. All right, recover. Gonna do a low run, quick low run. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. High bounce. Low run. Let's go. Now, fast feet. All right, recovery. Good. Cool down. Slow the breath. Slow the breath down.
Catch your breath. You're doing fine. Easy bounce home. Nice and slow.
Step side to side.
The strength that helped you grow. Easy bounce home. Breathe and smile. You did the work and went the mile.
Health bounce.
Thanks for bouncing here with me. Thanks for rebounding with Cheryl today.
Tight core.
Every stride, I'm so glad you came along for the ride. Easy bounce home, nice and slow. Feel the strength that helped you grow.
Breathe.
Easy bounce home, breathe and smile.
And heel lifts.
You did the work and went the mile.
If you want a little bit more, you're going to get off the tramp and you'll do lunges. Off here. You can do lunges, you can do squats. You can even do on the rebounder. You can do squats. Push the hips back. That helps too. And then don't forget to stay hydrated and stretch a little bit. Walk it out. And that was our quick workout for the day. All right. And we'll see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Thanks for joining me. Bye.